Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add an address to your page using the Facebook app on your PC, following the latest update. Whether you're a business owner or just want visitors to know your location, this process is quick and straightforward. First, open up the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're inside, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile photo to reveal a drop-down menu with all your pages and options. Next, select the page where you want to add an address. After entering your page, you'll notice several navigation tabs. Find and click on the About section. This is the place where you can manage all the details relating to your page, including your address, contact information, and more. Once you're in the About tab, look for the section labeled Contact and Basic Info. This is where you can view and edit vital information about your page. Scroll down until you see an option that says Add Your Address. Click on this link to begin entering your location details. A form will pop up asking for your address information. Carefully fill in the fields with your details. This usually includes your street address, city, postal code, and country. Make sure everything is correct, as this will help your visitors find your page more easily and prevent any confusion down the line. When you've double-checked your details and are confident everything is accurate, look for the Save button at the bottom of the form. Click Save to add your address to your page. Your changes will be updated instantly, and everyone visiting your page will now be able to see your new address information. That's it. Adding an address to your Facebook page is that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and updates.